Okay, so this is what it's like right now. And can you see the road? Do you see any road? Okay, it's clearing up a little bit. But, oh, this is just such scary weather. Like, see, you can't see in front of you. This is what we're seeing right now. Look at the trees. This is major winds. So how many feet of snow do you think we have at home? About
3 feet at home.
We have about 3 feet of snow at home. But, this is not fun to be in at all.
It wasn't this way going to church, but certainly coming back it is.
Definitely. At least it's clearing up a little bit.
14 degrees outside.
That 14 is just too low.
14 above zero, actually.
Yeah. Well, I think it's clearing up a little bit. It looks a little clearer, or like clearer on this screen than it does like when you're actually here. Because right now it's way worse than it looks. Anyways, yeah, pretty much that's our ride home. And it's probably gonna be like this for now about probably a week. Anyways, wish us luck.